how do we get different answers for the same problem in indefinite integration? How do we get different answers for the same problem in indefinite integration? So, let us understand this. Let us understand this through a simple example. Like, if you take integral of sin x into cos x dx, we will work out this problem in two different methods. Now, if you understand this, this is sin x whole power 1 into sin x derivative cos x, sin x derivative cos x. So it is in the form of integral fx power n into f dash x dx, which is nothing but f of x whole power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c is the basic formula. Generally, everyone knows this. Now, if you apply the same formula to this one, fx power 1 into f dash x, because sin x derivative is cos x, it is simply sin square x divided by 2 plus c is the answer we get. Now, let us work out the same problem using another method. See, that is integral of sin x cos x is there. I'd like to convert this to the multiple by multiplying with 2 and dividing with 2, like 2 sin x cos x dx, 2 sin x cos x dx. So thereby you can understand this becomes half integral sin 2x dx. So which is nothing but half of minus cos 2x by 2. And I'll write it as some plus k here. You can say I use the c here. This is k here. So obviously they differ by a constant. How do they differ by a constant? With what difference they differ, we will understand now. This is in terms of cos 2x, and I'll convert this to the same terms like cos 2x. Like what I do, I'm writing it as 1/4 of 2 sin square x plus c to convert this to cos 2x. So this is 1/4 of 1 minus cos 2x plus c. So thereby you can understand it is minus 1 by 4 cos 2x plus 1 by 4 plus c. Now you can see these two terms are one and the same. Just understand. This is minus 1 by 4 cos 2x. This is also minus 1 by 4 cos 2x. And see, these two constants now, they must be equal because these two terms are same. So the relation between k and c, this is c, this is k, is that k is equal to 1/4 plus c. So you have to understand that we get different answers like this, because of the difference of constant. Even though both the answers are correct, generally it happens in the objectives that whenever you solve a particular problem, whatever the answer you get like this may not appear in the options. The reason is this, they differ by a constant. So you understand this, even though both are correct, they seem to be different because of the difference in the constants.